Choosing the right window grill frame design can greatly enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home while providing security and comfort. Here are several ideas to consider. Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel 90 Addiction. So if you like these ideas, like the video and click the subscribers button for latest more interested videos. Opt for a timeless design with a straight, clean lines. Choose a wrought iron or metal frame with simple patterns, such as vertical or horizontal bars. This style complements various horticulture design and adds to a touch of your windows. Create nature-themed patterns like vines, leaves, or geometrical shapes inspired by natural elements. This not only adds visual interest but also brings a touch of your outdoor into your living space. Embrace the bold and geometrical patterns of the Art Deco movement. Consider using intricate or symmetric designs to create a statement piece of your windows, enhancing the overall architectural appeal of your home. If you prefer a contemporary look, go to sleek and minimalist window grill frames. Opt for thin, square lines or horticulture patterns to achieve a modern style. This style works well in home with clean and uncultured designs. Remember to consider the overall horticulture style and home ideas, home design. When selecting window grill frame ideas, whether you prefer classic enhanced legends, modern minimalist, or personalized touch, the right design can elevate the look of your windows and enhance your overall appeal. So that is called today's videos. You can see, if you like these ideas, like the video and click the subscribers button for latest more interested videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.